Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Prince Automation Destination. This side Prince. I hope you are doing well. So if you are a tester and using GoFullPage Chrome extension to save screenshots while reporting the bug, there is a bad news. The bad news is this particular Chrome extension is deprecated by Chrome and is no more available on Chrome Store. But there is a good news as well. There is an existing Chrome extension by SelectorsHub that we can utilize to take screenshots. On top of taking the screenshots, it has many features. Let us quickly understand each of these one by one. So if I show you this particular GoFullPage Chrome extension, first of all, when you go to this particular page, you will see that this particular item is no more available. Now, this is the screenshot with the URL, right? On the SelectorsHub website itself, you can find it and you can install it into your Chrome browser or other browsers with these options. In my case, I have already installed, so I can see at this particular place, right? In case you don't see here, what you need to do after adding this particular extension, you need to click on this extension section, and here you will find this particular pin option, by using which we can pin it here. Now, as soon as we will click on this, we will start seeing its options. So we can take screenshot of visible area. So if I, for example, go to Amazon and let me open this particular thing, visible, right? So using this, we can take screenshot of visible area, right? So the screenshot is downloaded now. Okay, so it will automatically download. So now let me save it once or give it name save one, right? So this is how we can take screenshot of visible area. So let us take a look. How does this particular screenshot look like? So you see, we are able to take screenshot of it. And by default, if you would notice, it hasn't captured the bookmarks. In my case, I'm having the bookmarks, but it hasn't captured the bookmarks, right? So this is one of the cool feature of this particular extension, right? Then talking about selected area. So we can take screenshot of a selected area. This is another feature. And it will automatically save. We can change this particular setting as well. And if we want to take screenshot of full page, for example, on this particular page, we have a scroll bar, right? So when we click on this full page, it will automatically scroll to the bottom and will take screenshot of entire page. If we want to take two screenshot, like for example, on a particular page, there are two issues and you want to connect or attach two screenshots and want to stitch them together, then we can go with this particular dual select option. We can select this and then we can select this, right? This way, a screenshot with two sections will be downloaded. So let me give it name stitched. And let me open it. So you will see that it has combined together both the screenshots, right? So this is how it combined both the screenshots. Okay. Now talking about other features. So split view, for example, we have two Chrome pages and we want to compare two environments. At that point of time, we can go with split view. Here also we can select full page, right? And then there is a record screen option as well. This record screen option provide the mic as well. So during recording the scenario of failure, we can record or give a voice as well, right? So this is another interesting feature of it. Likewise, there is, if I show you other sections or other features of this, there is an editor section, right? There is a URL. So with this editor, what will happen is, it will, when we will take a screenshot, it will automatically open the editor where we can select a particular area, highlight a particular area. When we will choose this particular URL option, so we will see the URL in the screenshot. If we choose console, then along with the screenshot of the screen, it will take the screenshot of console as well. Likewise, if I choose this particular network option, so along with the page URL, it will take screenshot of network as well at the same time. So let us quickly understand editor first. So I have selected this particular editor and now I'm going to click on, first of all, let me go to Amazon and here let me open it, right? And now I'm going to click on this particular visible, right? As soon as I clicked on visible, the screenshot is taken. Now we can highlight something, right? If we want to select a rectangle, we can use this. If we want to point to some error, then we can use this particular arrow. Generally, how do we do is, we take a screenshot, we paste it into Paint, and then after we make modifications, right? Likewise, for example, we don't want to show a particular area, we can blur that particular area as well. If we want to crop something from screenshot, that also we can crop, right? So this is about this particular thing, right? Then talking about another feature, if I, for example, show you URL, so by default, whenever we are taking screenshot, the feature of this particular extension is it won't capture the screenshot, won't capture the bookmarks, right? As well as URL. So now let me select this particular URL and take screenshot. So at this particular time, when we will, so let us give it name URL and try to open this. So you will see along with the screenshot, we are seeing the URL as well, right? So this is another interesting feature. Then talking about console. So let me select both console as well as network. And now let me take the screenshot of it. So in this case, what will happen is, so let me give it name network console and understand from the URL itself, from the screenshot, sorry, that it is capturing the network as well as this particular screen as well as console, it would be capturing together, right? So this is how we can select different options of this particular extension, utilize it on day-to-day basis to boost the productivity. And this is what I wanted to cover, guys, as part of the discussion today. Thank you for watching. I would request you to please like, share.